What is up, YouTube? Niner Faithful 52 here, back with another sneaker unboxing review. As you can see by the box and the title, this is a Nike box. I hit these on the Nike Restock. There was rumors on Twitter and all this, and they dropped, I believe it was a couple days ago. Got it in today. A Jordan restock of a lot of Jordans, really. And as you can see by the title, you already know which one I got. I got a W on it, man. I can't believe it. This is the this is probably like one of my very few wins on what was on the Nike app. But nonetheless, it's a W. So here's the box. You guys already know, Jordan 1 box. Label Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, light smoke gray, white. Size 10, retail price $170. Now I went for the shoe when it first dropped, and I didn't. I took an L, obviously. But since it's on Nike, I guess I have more of a chance there. Not on the sneakers app. So I got it. I'm super hyped. I got it. So this is my first look at them. Ooh, damn. Let me see these real quick. Damn, right away I could smell. I could just smell it. The smell. You already know Jordan 1 smell. Look at that. First look. Well, for me. In hand. Oh yeah. So these are it's new book here. On the gray. You know, color blocking. You got the leather here, the black leather. Black on the black leather on the toe box. Your nylon tongue, of course, Nike Air on the tongue. Black laces, and it comes with an extra set of gray laces. I think I'll probably stick with the black for now, but I'll probably switch it up. Here's the inside. Got your black laces. Here's your insert, and then the insole. Got Nike Air in gray. And size, there's your tagging right there. And I can't believe I actually hit on these, honestly. I got so lucky. You know, there was rumors of this and that. So obviously, you know, I just took a shot. I woke up. And then I actually saw them on there, man. I saw the neutral gray lows, Air Jordan 1 lows, the OGs. But I saw them too late. They didn't have my size. But luckily I saw these. You know, I was on pending. I was just looking around for a bit, and boom, I just got notified that I got them. So super hyped I got them. A lot of people have already seen the shoe, but you know, for those who haven't, you know, here they are. So basically, it's a leather nubuck, clean, very clean. Got the black Air Jordan Wings logo here. Got the heel here, the leather heel. Here's the back. There it is. Got the white midsole. Here we go. Look at that. And you got the black bottom. Something simple, you know. This shoe goes with anything, honestly. You can't go wrong with this shoe. You know, it's very easy to wear, is what I'm trying to say. Let me take out the other shoe real quick. Hopefully I don't have any defects in mine. You know, there's always, you know, even in retail, you know, there's the little sticker there. And then here's the lid here. Should have here's the branding right there. So box came in great shape. You know, I'm not much of a box collector, but when I do win a shoe, man, you know, I tend to keep the box if it's in good shape, and then, you know, and then go from there. But here's the other shoe, the right shoe. You know, same thing. Man, such a beautiful shoe. It's plain, you know, it's simple. I got a little thing right here. That's easy to just clip it. But man, like, to think I actually won this shoe. Like, I mean, a lot of people, you know, as sneakerheads will know, you know, they bought everything. You know, people take L's all the time. So when you win something, man, you gotta cherish it. You know, it doesn't come often. especially for me, and I know for others. But man, I'm actually glad because I actually wanted these. So I missed out on the sneakers app, but I got on the I think it's called like a second chance or something. I don't know what they called it. Jordan Restock, Jordan Reserve type of thing. But yeah, I got them. So here they are. I mean, the only W I had really on sneakers apps like recently was the Oreo 5s, which they called Moonlights, but they were not in my size. I actually went from I didn't want them. I went from for one of my friends, and I got them. So I'm giving them to him. So I have better luck on the Nike app for whatever reason. I have better luck on the Nike app. You know, I hit on Jubilees there last Christmas or last year, whatever you want to call it. You know, I hit on those Concord bread looking the lows, Jordan 11 lows. You know, I don't really hit much on sneakers app. I take those all the time. But yeah, man, I'm super hyped I got these. Super hyped, man. I have very few Jordan 1 highs, you know, because I'm a Jordan 1 mids guy. But for this colorway, I'll go for them, you know what I mean? So there's the label one more time. And that's been my little unboxing review. If you know, if anybody hasn't seen the shoe or whatever, but so there it is. And yeah, just a quick little unboxing review. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.